Gundu, not from VBS. I loaned from Gundu. My contract is with Gundu, not with VBS.
Ungqongqotjhe wezobulungiswa uThembi Simelane uthi azange aboleka imali kwa VBS yena. Imali ayibolekako wayeboleka kwa Gundu Wealth Solutions.
Ngikuthi buhlungu thatha ngoba nireka kokhulu reka kai ona beno mbolo khalo wemi byana.
Izakhamuzi zehlakweni yePitori ziphela ihliziyo ngomakhiwo ozithabathaba sento lesolo ungapheli ngenxa yabathelisa ababhadelisa abasoma contractor imali zokuzivikela. Kuyinyanga yamagugu wesitshaba siyalotshisa endaweni zonke nanzi indaba ezihlelelwe wena ngokukhethekileyo ku-SABC1 ngesindebele lotshani emakhaya. Ungqongqotjhe wezobulungiswa nokuthuthukiswa komthethosisekelo uThembi Simelane utshele iParliament ukuthi akanalitho alifihlako. USimelane uvele phambi kwekomiti yeParliament namhlanje lapha bekazokuhlathulula khona indaba ehlathululwe njengesikwelete esingazwisisekiko asifumana ekampanini ehlobene nebhanka iVBS. Ungqongqotjhe utshela amalunga weParliament ukuthi akhange abone umraro ngesikwelete leso nanyana anikelwa ikhampani engakatoliswa njengebolekisako nje.
uSimelane ujamile emagameni akhe. Indaba le ithome ngo-2016 ngesikhathi uSimelane ayine. Ngandi ngaleso isikhathi umasipalata lo wasisa i-349 million rands ebhanka iVBS. Eminyakeni lo uSimelane waboleka imali engange-575,000 ekampanini ebolekisa ngemali iGundu Wealth Solutions. Imali yakhona wathenga ngayo ibhizinisi yokuthengisa ikofi. Njenganje ama-Hawks alandelela indaba yemali phakathi komphathi weGundu uRaylon Razwinane kunye neVBS njengengcenye yophenyo lobukhohlakali beVBS. Amalunga weParliament afuna impendulo.
The timing thereof is exceptionally suspicious. Money flows from the municipality to VBS, money flows from VBS to Gando, money flows from Gando to the purchase of the coffee shop, all in the space of a very short period of time. It may be a coincidence, but in a long time of operating in the criminal justice system, I've learned to be very suspicious.
Would I be correct, Minister, if I say you borrowed, if we were to take your version, will I be correct if I say you borrowed from Omashonisa?
You know, I would also say it's a movie which is always repeating itself. And we're watching it over and over in this country. And unfortunately, it involves almost same actors in the movie because you would understand that indeed it's a very serious issue which we need to check into.
uSimelane uthi wayengazi ukuthi imali ayibolekako le yayivelaphi begodu akhangabona lokho kungaba nokuthindana nokuchayisana kwemithetho. Uthi batho kungakho ke angazange ayiveza indaba yakhona nakaba ngungqongqotjhe. Kanti enyadzimelelekiyo ngeyokuthi batho yena waboleka kuGundu ingasikho kuVBS.
I loaned from Gundu, not from VBS. I loaned from Gundu. My contract is with Gundu, not with VBS. So that's where the distinction is. And I regret the harm it has caused the people of a vendor in particular.
Njengombana indaba le ingakhange ke iphenywe nje, ikomiti yeParliament izokufuna iseluleko somthetho ngokuthi ingazifuna na intatimende ezimayelana nesikwelede esina nokuthi sabhadele kanjani. Kodwana amalunga weParliament athwenyekile ngokuthi nange indaba le ingadluliselwa kuNPA kuzokuba no uSimelane yena akavumi nakabuzwa ukuthi angachida na esikhundleni sakhe nofana athokoze umsebenzi ukufikela lapha indaba le irarululwa khona na. Uthi batsho lokho kuzokuya ngomengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuthi uthatha isiqundu esinjani.
Ijaji elikhulu uRaymond Zondo ubeke phasi indambo njengomongameli wamajaji ngemva kokusebenza pheze iminyaka ema-30. Wachitela isekela lakhe ijaji uMandisa Maya othome ukusebenza ngokusemthethweni njengomongameli wamajaji wokuthoma womuntu wengubo.
Nabe kakhulumisana nomhleli wendaba zepolitiki kwa-SABC uMzondile Mbeje. uZondo uthe ihlangana nemisebenzi ayenzake yakhamba phambili inyanya ukubekwa esikhundleni kwakamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
I think there are a number of highlights, but one of the most recent was the inauguration of the president, over which I presided. Being appointed Judge President of the Labour Appeal Court and Labour Court when I was 39 years old was quite significant also, and being appointed as Deputy Chief Justice, being appointed as Chairperson of the State Capture Commission.
uZondo wakhe wathi ilizwe leSouth Africa kulilizwe linamathuba amaningi lapha umsanyana wemakhaya wagcina ngumengameli wamajaji.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. We hope
Izakhamuzi zehlagwini yePitori zithi akuzukuphela ukwakhiwa kwesithabathaba sentolo esibiza inkulungwane zamaranda elokishini labo. Bathi project le iyariyadiswa zintshijilo ebebanazo nosokontraka waphambilini kunye nabathelisi ababhadelisa abosokontraka imali yokuzivikela. Ngokwehubhululo imithangalo sisekelo ebalelwa ku-183 ebiza imali ngaphezulu kwe-60 billion ithikazisekile ngoba kubika uNhlanhla Ntshingila.
Indawo yeGarankuwa imakhilomitha ama-37 ngetlhagwini Tjingalanga yePitori. Ihlelo leli lathonywa ikampani yokusiza emphakathini iPublic Investment Corporation isebenza ngaphasi kwesikhwama sepenshini sabasebenzi bembusweni ngomnyaka ka-2019. Kwakufanele kukhuliswe isithabathaba sentolo singezelelwe kodwa kwajama tsi ngonobangela ukucapela kwabathelisa ababhadelisa abosomakontraka. Azikontraka le iningi abasebenzi nabo khe bachakala bafuna umholo wabo. Izakhamuzi zithi sekuzinyanga kungenziwa litho lapha.
I think to take an effort working on the ground and for example establishing intelligence to face out those kind of behavior that we are facing as South Africans.
Akikuta botlhoko thata kwa bana re reka go khole re reka go mabopane re reka kae gona beno mo khalo we mebjana a se bjano.
Abaphathi besithabathaba sentolo iMoana Properties babhalile ukuphendula imibuzo bathi asichinge kwa PIC ekubanikazi besithabathabesi. Kodwana akhange batholakale nofana baphendule imibuzo bekwafika isikhathi sokuhatsha indaba le. Izehlakalo zokuthelisa abantu ukuthi babhadele imali yokuvikela amabhizinisi wabo ihagele khulu lapha ekhethu. Kazi lo mugwa uthinta kumbi imiphakathi begodu ukhwahlaphaza umnotho ovele ubogaboga.
This crime will never come to an end when we don't put the necessary strategies and tactics to deal with it.
I-Institute for Security Studies ithi isizo lizokuba khona kwanje ngoba sekungenelele bezepolitiki.
We have seen some arrests in some provinces, but of course any other crimes quite overwhelming for cannot be everywhere.
Nakusenjalo ungqongqoshe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu mhlapha nje uthe amapholisa azokufuna isizo konke nje ukuthi alusane nalomraro ukuthelisana. Ezakhamuzini zeGarankuwa khona kubhlungu ngoba isithabathaba sentolwezi besizokuvula amathuba wemsebenzi khulukhulu elutsheni. NginguNonhlanhla Ntshingila wendaba zeSABC eGarankuwa.
Amaphandle kubalwa hlangana lawo adabuka eMozambique, eLesotho neZimbabwe abalahlangana namazamazama abotshwe Pilgrim's Rest eMpumalanga. Amajoni kunye namapholisa bangene ijima lokusearcha izenzo eziphambana nokulunga endaweni leya. Amapholisa abuyele emuva ayokuhloma ngobutshe emvekeni ezimbili ezidluleko ngemva ukuthi amazamazama abekahlome ngokuqinileko azokuchotholozela phambili.
Idrop elisahlele isichema sabamayina ngongemthetho bemba yonke indawo begodu bona indawo yamagugu yesifundesi esinomlando omuhle kezivakatshobukelo. Kanti indawo le yadosa abahloli kade bafuna ukwemba idayimani ngo-1873. Njenga babamayina ngongemthetho bazele yonke indawo bazenzela umathanda. Amapholisa abuyele godi endaweni le akhambisana nephiko lamajoni kanti bafunwe yonke indawo laba bamayina ngongemthetho kwabanjwa abambalwa.
Must indicate that still a lot of work to be done. We still have to come back because it's a lot of issues that or matters we need just to deal with them within this area. It's a lot of lawless issues that we need to deal with them inside here.
Isiphaphamtshini besiphapha indawo leya yonke silinga ukutholisisa bona bangakupha abantwana ekuthiwa abahlome bayephuka.
So we're here today and there's Zamazamas. They realize that they will not match the state because as government they know that we're heavily armed.
Nakusenjalo isithema samazamazama engozini impilo yabantu abaningi kanti ezinye izakhamuzi zithembeleke ezivakashobukelo njengendlela yokuziphilisa kanti sola amazamazama zele indawo le imvakashi zikhambela kude nayo. Amapholisa athembisa ukuragela phambili namajima wokuqeda amazamazama endaweni le ngehlelo labo levala umgodi.
Kubotshwa amapholisa wendlela ali-11 asola ngobukhohlakali nokufunjathiswa. Amapholisa labo botshwe namhlanje asemsebenzini endleleni enguthela walisa i-N1 phakathi kweMusina nePolokwane.
Enye lezobuhlakani bemphathiswa zamapholisa esele lidosa iminyaka emibili ligcine lifikile ekugcineni. Amapholisa batsho msi ahletshelwe batshayeli ebebaphele banikela imininingwane yokuthi amapholisa wendlela labe kanomkhwanyana wokujamisa inkoloyi ku-N1 khulukhulu amaphandle bafune ukufunjathiswa. Amapholisa athi anofakazi ophathekako.
In terms of the investigation, remember it's where they are extorting money from the people. If you have been arrested for violating a traffic offense, instead of taking action against you, then they distort your money. That is how this investigation, we've been receiving several complaints, and that is why there was a project that was done that led to this arrest for today.
Imphathimandla zamapholisa wendlela zithi bayokuqalana nekambiso yokukhalinywa.
Internally we've got processes where we'll start with our disciplinary processes. We'll wait to hear what happens. Probably they'll get bail and then we'll then be able to take our processes further.
Umkhandlu olawula indlela ezikulu eSouth Africa uthi ukubotshwa kwabo kuzokuthumela nesithombe kilabo abenza izika zalomhlobo.
Nokuboshwa kwalabantu kuzosiza kakhulu emkhankosweni okwenza imigwaqo ibe safe. Amaphoyisa fanele azwisise ukuthi mawethunyelwe ukuthi ayophephisa izimpilo zabantu abasebenza emigwaqweni. Uma bethatha i-bribes bazenzela okwabo bafuna ukuzi-enricha emigwaqweni, lokho kubeka impilo yabanye abantu engcupheni.
Kulindeleke ukuthi amapholisa agole nabanye abasolwa. Kanti la abotshiweko alindeleke ukuvela ekhotho kaMagistrate wePolokwane msinya.
Nasibuya entolo.
Hey, if you know the song, sing with me. Come again. 1, 2, 3.
Iselakazi elingunokufa libuye lagadla kude ekorweni yezomvumo. Akasekho ephasini uMapaputsi. Indaba lapha nazi kuphundileko ziyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus na ku Facebook. Asifake nazo. Lichika nezinye indaba ezingasimnandi ilanga lanamhlanje ekorweni yezomvumo. Ulelo buthongo banomphelo umvumi weKwaito uSandile Ngwenya obekaziwa ngelika Mapaputsi. Imbiko yithu nokufa umkhukhuthele izolo ngemva ukuthi agule isikhathi esingaphezulu komnyaka. uMapaputsi waduma kakhulu ngengoma ethi abobana bakhumula izinjala ube namagalelo abukhali ekorweni.
Hey, 25 years of celebration. What? Hey, he's Hey, now if you know the song, sing with me. Come again. 1, 2, 3.
We would like to send our deepest condolences to Sandile's family and to his friends and fans. Sandile was beyond just being an artist. He was He loved music, he loved arts, and encouraged a lot of, especially young people.
Besangena ngokudlegana imlayezo namezwi wokuchiriya umndeni womhatsho ngasekho uThabiso Sikwane. Umndeni, abangani nabalingani ngokomsebenzi bahlanganyele e3C Ministries eIrene Centurion. Bakhumbula ukuzithoba kwakhe isadla asifakilekwe emkhakheni wezohatsha nobuntu bakhe. uSikwane ubhubhe aneminyaka ema-50 ubudala.
Umndeni nabangani bahlanganyele lapha ugidenga impilo kasazi wako uThabiso Sikwane obekangimakekere zokuhatsha. uSikwane uhlathululo njengomuntu obekasithakha onobuntu nobekabekela abanye abantu phambili.
I don't know how to sing, but every time the song would like play on radio and I'd hear her vocals like chomi 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 cho, I thought, yay, you wanna go high? Oh, that's my sister, oh, and then I chomi marawena cousin eya gago man umo TV wa presenter umo radio wa bina lebo jackknife I wa re shaya man. But you know, in truth, that's exactly what Thabiso was.
Lo mhatsho benebizelwe elikhanyazelako usebenzele umhatsho ehlukahlekeneko ekubalwane we-SABC i-SAFM.
She trusted our madness at YFM almost 30 years ago. She continued to trust in our crazy at Kaya a few years later. A consummate professional who understood the assignment.
To know Thabiso as a most charming, caring, loving, and most generous person. She was considerate and compassionate.
Kuthe ngemva kwenkonzo yokumkhumbula isidumbu sakhe sayokuchiswa lapho ebeselekisele umndeni kwaphela. Abalingani ngokomsebenzi nabangani banikela ithuba lokumkhumbula uSikwane.
Robala ka khotso ngwana go gae. Robala ka khotso motswala. Pilipili ya tshane le mmatlo. Sitlogolo sa Matebele.
Balisho ngalizwe nyabantu abasebenze naye bona ikoro yezokuhatsha ilahlekelwe khulu.
Umbhwali wesiNdebele owaziwa iphasi lonke uGogo Esther Mnguni uhlangelwe bathandi bemigwalo emnyanyeni wokuzazisa i-meet and greet ehotela ephakemeko kunazo zonke eAfrika i-The Leonardo Hotel eSentini eTlhagweni yeJohannesburg. uGogo betshengisa nangebholo ayigwale ngesiNdebele eyatlikitlwa umdlali webasketball we-America uMichael Jordan. uGogo Mnguni kulindeleke bona ayokuqedelela ukugwala ibholo le ngesiba lekuku ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle.
Inyanga yamagugu wesitshaba ivuleke ngomnyanya wokwazana kwabathandi bemigwalo eJohannesburg lapho bahlangene khona nomgwalo odume iphasi lonke uGogo Esther Mnguni. Bevunula phelele ngombhalo, umkhala, umpayiri nesipani. Beziledlele kamnandi esofeni intombi edala. Bonke bebafika lapho bebambuza amavuka aphekelelwa mkhwaba. Wethule umphathi wemsebenzi wakhe umenzi Mthethwa. uGogo uthi ilutsha lisa ukuhlala ngezandla.
Ngithi bantu abatsha lelo lona ngithi abantu abatsha abasikime thina bogogo sesikhulile so nina abatsha le into ke nithatheleni phezulu ningayithathi njengento ngathi kuyadlalwa lapha akudlalwa kuyaberekwa.
Ngokutsho kaMthethwa ibholo le iyokuthengiswa bese imali khona izokusiza ukufundisa abantwana bematempule eMpumalanga ukugwala. Ematempule kuyindawo lapho uGogo avela khona.
uGogo kulona ibhola lokuqala leli alenzile. uGogo wenze ibhola le rugby during the World Cup noSanyo Siyapolisi. uGogo wenze ibhola le netball kade lisetshenziswa kwi-final between England neAustralia. The very last ball abayisebenzisa kuleyo World Cup uGogo igwalile. Lamabhola lawo omabili ayo unveilwa eAustralia eSydney kule World Cup elandelayo ye-rugby naye-netball.
Umthethwa uzwakalisa ukuthwenyeka nangendlela abomama abaningi bamaNdebele abagwalako nabaphothelako bangatshejwa ngayo. Ukuthi abantu bayabalisa bangabatsheje emntazaneni bathoma ukubathathela phezulu nasele baluphele. abanengi bathi imisebenzi yabo emhleni bafuna ukuzobona ugogo ngenyama.
Siyathanda ukubona umsebenzi wakhe uncomeka and uthengwa abantu futhi abaningi intsha nje futhi kakhulukazi. Siyabonga siyajabula ngomZulu ngiyajabula ukubona abantu bakithi benyusa bekhuphula izinga legama lethu phambi kwabantu.
Ngasikade nje ugogo Mnguni qalisa inyawo endaweni ezihlukahlukeneko zangaphetsheya eAmerica ekubalwakize eColorado neNew York lapha ukufundisa khona abafundi beuniversity ukugwala ngesiba lekukhu. Bese achingene eUtah eDelta Center lapha yokuqedelela khona ukugwala ibholo le. Endabeni zeSABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngiseSentin eTlhagwini eJohannesburg.
Kezemali ranta lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Asiqale umbono wakho mbukeli ngomdlalo webafana bafana neUganda.
Izophumelela ngesqueeze heavy kabi 3-1 shapa bafana shapa
okwabo ukulalela ucoach ngendlela abanikezelela ngayo benze lokho ukuze banqobe.
Ukulimala kaWilliam lapha emapalini kona kuyashayisa ngovalo kodwa ke siyabathemba abafana bazokwenza kahle.
Ibafana bafana isethubeni elihle lokuwina kwaye isikole wina ngaso ngo3-1 xa ibetha iUganda.
Bana ngibuka licembu leUganda ingaphansi kakhulu ngemidlalo ukubafana bafana ngithi iyaphakama iflag yase South Africa.
Sibona ukuthi ibafana bafana yofita. Yofita katsheni yobetha uUganda.
Ibafana bafana nangadlala ngendlela le yagcina ngayo awasiyadlula amasona kethu la ngwabonile ukuthi azimisele kulo.
Impela siwulinde ngabomvu umdlalo onamhlanje webafana bafana siyayithemba futhi ukuthi izokwenza kahle.
Wina kweqembu leSouth Africa vele kujabula iSouth Africa yonke.
Ibafana bafana yandlula sishaya 3-1 Uganda.
Ibafana bafana izondlula ngathunile.
Umbona ngeumbukeli yeSABC ayizukuthesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Siphilela laphaza namhlanje indaba salani nihlamba amehlo ngethombe nanzo zabomakhekera ababili eMandebeleni ebebavakatshile umrhatsho weSABC iRadio 2000.